Welcome to the Fast Tracks Academy. In this cashier training video, I'll be showing you how to handle a cash transaction. Always remember that the design of your POS panels may vary, as they are customizable to your individual company. If you do have any questions, please refer to your store management for further information. This video is to serve as a general tutorial only. Once we log into our POS system, we're going to go ahead and open POS, and we are going to scan our item. If the customer is a loyalty customer, go ahead and hit yes. If the product is age restricted, go ahead and enter the age verification. And we now have our product listed. To finalize the transaction, we're going to click on subtotal. Once we're on the subtotal screen, we have a few different ways to take care of this transaction. We can hit cash next, which will simply round up the balance to the next dollar. If we have exact change, we can hit the cash button. If we want to use the individual tender buttons, we can select the denominations that were handed to us and enter them individually. And last but not least, we can enter the denomination that was handed to us, hit the cash button, and the system will finalize the transaction and tell us how much change is due. For more information, visit goftx.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more training videos. And for more cashier trainings, please check out our cashier training courses in the FTx Academy. Have yourself a wonderful day.